Here we are at ValleyView. It's been quite a while since we actually been up here. Last time we were up here, they were just doing the demo. We had the big staircase that we were taking down, and we had it demo down to studs. So they've been working on it, but Sunday and I have been out of the country. Make sure you check out our video. On PS, we are on vacation. Did a Turkey trip and a trip to Africa. So here's what ValleyView is looking like now. So we got it pretty much demoed on the outside. We're getting ready for stucco, got a new roof on it. The inside is completely buttoned up, insulated with drywall texture. And we're just picking out the colors for the floor, for the bathroom, and getting the tile started. So check it out. That's what the stucco looks like. Let's just take a walk around and see what it looks like. Got the fancy front door on here, door latch, homemade. You see we got a new roof, looking good. Check out the inside. All brand new drywall, all insulated inside. Here's the bathroom that we reconfigured. Big master suite bathroom with a dual sinks, big shower, walk-in shower. We also added a closet into this room, right here. So it's gonna be a nice 3-bedroom, and we added a little bath too. So it's gonna be 3, 2 1/4. So we're putting just sink and a toilet in here. Then of course we opened up the walls. We took out a big wall here. So we opened up the kitchen. So it's gonna be a big, beautiful kitchen. Cabinets are almost done. Looking pretty good. Let's go check up the upstairs. One of the big things we did upstairs was dormer the ceiling because it was just a flat ceiling. So we opened it up and you'll be able to see what it looks like. So next step, interior paint, get the tile going, floors, doors, get set to go. Should move pretty fast. I think this is gonna be an awesome house for somebody. That's where we are right now, ValleyView. So on every project, we get the group together and we have a discussion on the materials we're gonna use in the bathroom. This would typically be, what are we gonna put on the floors, tub surround, and the shower. And I can tell you that this will change probably numerous times, but here we are at the start of the discussion. So let's take a listen in and see what happens.
What do you guys think?
My vote is yes. That's my vote.
Where's that floor gonna go in both bathrooms?
Just the bathroom floors, all 3 bathroom floors. The rest of this stuff here throughout the whole house, drain, the shower pan, and then the subway tile.
I like that for your bathroom floors. I really do. I think it looks nice. People will like it, I think.
This is actually really one of the funnest things that we do is being able to pick out different materials. We try to do each house according to the layout of the house and its location. And every house seems to be different so far. Sunday is really good at putting together color schemes and picking out the right material. So it is fun. We do have discussions about it. But at the end product, I think we're all really happy with what came out. And it's just part of the process. And I think that's what separates us from everybody else, is making each house unique and comes out really good.